Hey everyone, welcome back to Tip Talk. In this episode, we're diving into something that can take your Canva designs to a whole new level, layers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to select, move, arrange, and really control each element on your canvas with confidence. If you've ever been frustrated trying to select an image that's hiding under some text or wondered how to get your design elements perfectly stacked, you're in the right place. Let's get right into it. So I already have a design open here in Canva, maybe you do too. Before we start, just make sure you've got a canvas with some images, text, or any design elements placed. Layers are basically like invisible sheets of plastic stacked on top of each other, and each element lives on its own sheet. This is what helps us organize our designs, especially when things start to overlap or get a bit chaotic. First, to interact with a layer, just click on any element in your design. It could be an image, a shape, a piece of text, anything at all. Once you've clicked, you'll notice that the toolbar at the top updates with options specific to what you selected. Now look for the Position button. This is your gateway to layering. When you click Position, you'll see options that allow you to shift elements forward or backward. But for more detailed control, let's find the actual Layers panel. If you don't see it right away, take a breath. It might be tucked away based on your Canva version, but newer updates include a nice Layers feature. Click on Layers, and a panel pops up showing all the elements currently on your canvas, almost like a list. It's super handy for seeing what's where, and especially for uncovering anything that's hidden behind other objects. If you're ever struggling to select something that seems lost in the pile, this panel is your secret weapon. For example, say you've got a quote sitting on top of a background image, and the background image just won't budge. Jump into the Layers panel, find the background image in the list, and click straight onto it. Canva will select it for you no matter how buried it is. This trick saves so much time and frustration, trust me. But what if you want to change the order? Maybe you want that background image to come forward or a decorative sticker to slide behind your text. This is where right-clicking is your friend. Select the element you want to move. Let's say there's a piece of text sitting right on top of your image, but you actually want the image to come back to the foreground. Just right-click on the image and you'll see the layer options pop up. Send to back, send backward, bring forward, and bring to front. Send to back will send your element all the way underneath everything else, almost like tucking it under a stack of papers. Send backward moves it just one position down, which is super helpful when you only need a slight tweak. The same goes for bring forward and bring to front, except in the opposite direction. You're pulling your element up through the stack. Feel free to experiment. You can always undo if you don't like the result. And don't worry if you need to adjust things a few times. Layer management is just part of the creative process, and it can take a few tries to get it looking exactly right. The more you practice, the more instinctive it'll become to reach for that Layers panel or right-click menu when you need it. That's it for today's Tip Talk. Mastering layers in Canva is a small skill that makes a huge difference in keeping your designs sharp and easy to manage. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own to share. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next how-to. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.